introducing me with very good information and spirit. Good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's honor to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me, especially Professor Ford, Dr. Aryono, Professor Speed, and all senior. Professor Ford, for me as an inspiring scholar, and I learned a lot from you how to deal with AI and also establish the privacy ecosystem. So privacy compliant in Indonesia quite new compared to other regions like Singapore, Malaysia, and Philippines. Philippines start from 2012, but we have our regulation from 2022 till now. We do not have any specific operational regulations. We're still waiting for in title of the president. The president will signing the regulation, but all we know we're waiting for that regulation. So we hope that the regulation applied and giving some guidelines to the industry, organization, and also for academia to searching for the technical, professional, and strategic uh, compliance. So my speech regarding AI and privacy policy for good organization governance, because privacy compliance not only for the private sector but also for the organization as well as for the non-organization, non-government organization, such as social foundations and the community. So the organization that collecting and processing data privacy, they have to comply with the privacy regulations. So we can share the PPT.